Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about power of mustard seeds for weight loss. In the quest for effective weight loss methods, nature provides us with a multitude of treasures, one of which is the humble mustard seed. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. This video aims to shed light on the incredible benefits of mustard seeds for weight loss, exploring their nutritional composition, metabolic effects, and practical ways to incorporate them into a healthy diet. Section 1. Nutritional composition of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are a rich source of essential nutrients that support overall health and contribute to weight loss efforts. Fiber content. Mustard seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with approximately 2.2 grams of fiber per tablespoon, 11 grams, of seeds. Fiber is essential for weight loss as it provides bulk, promotes feelings of fullness, and helps regulate bowel movements. The soluble fiber present in mustard seeds forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in insulin, which can contribute to fat storage. To incorporate mustard seeds' fiber content into your diet, you can sprinkle them on top of salads, soups, or yogurt, or use them as a topping for roasted vegetables. Protein content. Mustard seeds are a surprising source of plant-based protein, containing approximately 2.6 grams of protein per tablespoon, 11 grams, of seeds. Protein plays a crucial role in weight loss as it promotes satiety, helps preserve muscle mass, and supports the body's metabolism. Including an adequate amount of protein in your diet can help reduce cravings, prevent overeating, and enhance fat burning. You can sprinkle them on top of stir-fries, incorporate them into homemade energy bars, or mix them into plant-based burger patties. Healthy fats. Mustard seeds contain healthy fats, predominantly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and weight management. These fats can increase feelings of fullness, stabilize blood sugar levels, and promote the utilization of stored body fat as an energy source. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, similar to olive oil. You can use mustard oil in salad dressings, marinades, or for sautéing vegetables. Essential micronutrients. They contain significant amounts of calcium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin B complex, which are vital for various bodily functions, including metabolism and energy production. Calcium, present in mustard seeds, has been linked to weight loss and the prevention of fat storage. It plays a role in regulating fat metabolism and signaling the body to burn stored fat rather than storing it. Additionally, iron is essential for maintaining energy levels and preventing fatigue, which can often derail weight loss efforts. Section 2. Metabolic effects of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds exert various metabolic effects that contribute to weight loss. This section delves into the mechanisms behind these effects, backed by scientific evidence. Thermogenesis. One of the remarkable metabolic effects of mustard seeds is their ability to stimulate thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is the process by which the body generates heat and increases energy expenditure, resulting in calorie burning and potential weight loss. The glucosinolates present in mustard seeds are responsible for this thermogenic effect. By increasing the production of heat, mustard seeds can boost your metabolism and calorie burn, contributing to weight loss. Appetite suppression. Another valuable metabolic effect of mustard seeds is their ability to suppress appetite. The high fiber content in mustard seeds plays a significant role in promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Fiber absorbs water in the digestive tract, expanding and forming a gel-like substance. This gel slows down the emptying of the stomach and triggers signals of satiety to the brain, reducing hunger and preventing overeating. Regulation of blood sugar levels. Mustard seeds offer benefits for individuals concerned about blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity. Mustard seeds can aid in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting stable energy levels throughout the day. The high fiber content in mustard seeds contributes to this effect. Fiber slows down the absorption of glucose, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Section 3. Practical incorporation of mustard seeds in a weight loss diet. Now that we understand the nutritional benefits and metabolic effects of mustard seeds, let's explore practical ways to incorporate them into a weight loss diet. Mustard seed condiments and dressings. Mustard seed condiments and dressings are versatile and delicious ways to incorporate mustard seeds into your weight loss diet. Mustard paste, mustard oil, or whole mustard seeds can be used to add flavor and depth to salads, sandwiches, wraps, and vegetable dishes. Mustard seed snacks. Mustard seeds can also be used to make healthy snacks that support weight loss goals. Roasted mustard seeds make a crunchy and satisfying snack that can be enjoyed on the go. Mustard seed spice blends. Mustard seeds can also be used as a flavorful spice blend for meats, vegetables, and stews. Mustard seed soup and stew. Finally, mustard seeds can be used to add depth and flavor to soups and stews. Mustard seed soup, also known as sarson ka saag in Indian cuisine, is a flavorful and nutrient-dense dish that can support weight loss goals. Conclusion: mustard seeds are a potent and versatile ingredient that can support weight loss efforts through their metabolic effects. Incorporating mustard seeds into your diet can help increase thermogenesis, suppress appetite, and regulate blood sugar levels, ultimately contributing to sustainable weight loss. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.